There you go, matey. Good boy.
Got one, Jacob? Throw him in. I'm getting video of it too, so.
Thank you very much.
Look at this guy. Look at him just sitting there looking at it.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Here, Jacob, just hold your thing over the side.
That's pretty right.
Yeah, that's perfect for one.
Okay, throw it in there, Jacob.
What?
Throw him in there.
Yum. Get him, that's right.
Yeah.
Hi, dolphin.
Yum.
This is yours.
We're using our beak on you guys. You'd like to catch one of these, isn't it?
I dare you to.
No.
Okay, looks a bit better from here, eh? Right now, ready?
Getting pretty close to the cage, Troy boy. There won't be any tuna with these boys around.